growing up in the 80s and 90s, I can remember in the day there was always blue skies, and if it was going to rain at all, or if any clouds were going to form, you know, there might have been one or two in the daylight, but that was rare. But if it was going to rain at all, it would rain in the night. And that's because in the night the temperature drops, the humidity rises, and that allows for condensation, right? So that kind of says, right, that during the day when it's hot, like it is now because I'm bloody sweating, there shouldn't really be any cloud. But yet have a look at the video I'm going to put in here now, and you will see the sky is full. So the sky is full of cloud, and you can see that it's not real cloud, it's haze. And did you see at one point, I couldn't see the screen properly, so I couldn't like tell if I was zooming in on the right part or not, but I was trying to show you chemtrails. Now people think they're condensation trails, but they're not. Okay, condensation evaporates immediately, even in the winter. No, when you breathe out a little bit of condensation and it's gone. Otherwise there'd be a cloud following you around everywhere you fucking go. So think now, right? In the desert is known for not having any clouds. Now why is that? Because it's bloody hot. And for the heat to come down to us, it's got to go through the fucking water in the sky. So how is it going to condense? And surely, with the heat going through the water of these clouds, they would evaporate. But they don't. So doesn't that tell you that these clouds are not water? Think about it. Another point. It's the 22nd of July. 22nd of July. And I've just found these hazelnuts on the tree already. Midsummer. Now if you know anything about plants, you'll know that they fruit, which is the seeds, the nuts, they fruit in fall, or what is the other word for it? I don't know, doesn't matter. But after summer, right? And fruiting is a survival mechanism that when they sense that there's not going to be any sun, and you know there might be a chance that they will die, they drop a lot of seeds. And also, as when the sun does come back, there will be more plants, hopefully. So yeah, my grandmother's garden, she's got a plum tree, an apple tree, cherry tree, Well, the cherries have already fruited and she ate them about a month or so ago. And the plums, they're almost ready for harvest now. So, can you see what this crap in the sky is doing? It's changing the frequency of the sun and it's confusing nature. Yeah, so it doesn't know what seasons it is, what season it is. Autumn! Bloody autumn, man. That's when the fucking plants fruit and do their nut thing and all the rest of the shit. When the sun is pissing off. And just look at all this now. Look at all that. Autumn leaves in the middle of bloody summer. Look, they're everywhere. Now, doesn't this just totally back up what I'm saying or what? You see them all? Everywhere. Now just look at all that. All autumn leaves in the middle of summer. Now I'm making this video because I'm pissed off with it. I'm pissed off with these motherfuckers stealing our summer, giving us shit weather. Please share. There's just one last point I want to make. I'll be as quick as possible. If you block out the sun all winter and all bloody spring, right, and then come summer solstice, you allow the bloody sun through, right, the people are going to cook. It's going to feel hotter than usual. And that's because if you keep the temperature down to like 18 degrees, right, and then the sky opens up magically as if fucking God has blessed the world, and it goes up bloody 32, 34 degrees, you know, that's a massive difference, right? Your body hasn't had time to climatize, right? And this is what they're using this to portray a bloody weather crisis that they are creating with weather modification. And what will the answer be? Weather modification. We need to block out the sun. So they've created the problem, they're waiting for a reaction, and then they're going to give us a solution, which is the fucking problem in the first place. And of course it will end up with more taxes.